This is the kit I bought for porting and polishing. It's from Eula. I bought this tool myself. I have not been compensated or anything for making this video. You put it on, you should use it with the pen, which you got there, they say. It will last longer then. So then you just use this thing attached to the desk and just hang it, and then you connect that piece to here and you lock it. And also you have to use these tools to lock the chuck by putting down something here and using a wrench to tighten it. This I bought extra, as I told you before, or I will tell you. And this is just some random tools. Not much, but some stones and so on. It's the starter kit. This is the manual, 770 watt. You can adjust the speed from 8,000 to 35,000, and you just do it here, and then you have the turn on off here, and probably some carbon for the motor here. So it's a neat little box. So this is where you hang it up, and you also got this tool here. You can hold it like this. Hold it like that. Let me show you how it works. For me, this grinding engraving machine works really nice. Can't complain at all. Cuts aluminium like butter. If you want to see more of this, porting and so on, then subscribe, and there will be a series when I renovate this engine. Akimco ZX. Till then, bye bye.